Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to make money online using Reddit. So, let's discuss this topic until the end. So, Reddit, what is a Reddit? Reddit is an American social news aggregators and content for the ratings and forums. So, social networking and registers for the users and refer to call as a submitter as a Redditors. So, Redditors is the best as a registered users and content for the users. You can post your any kind of text, videos, audio, or any kind of footage, images. You can sell it to them also. So you can which can voted up to the buy and for the members and for subject to the users also. So more and upwards and for towards and for a search Reddit and receive for their any kind of consumers and for ultimately for site and front pages. So Reddit is an administrator and moderate for the community and specific for moderate and content for the community. And it has to get the Reddit and include a base for instance San Francisco. So it has a website. This website is used in all over the world. So how to open the Reddit account in online? So and to earn money. So you can I will go to your Google Chrome, then I will type here Reddit www.reddit.com. Then I will enter it. Then then I will go to your login option. You see here this is my login option. You see here this is my login option, and then you can log in it. You can log in with your mobile number, Gmail or Google Mail or any kind of Apple. So you can I will log in with my Gmail ID and then I will enter it. After that, I will enter my password and then I will enter it. Then you see here in your dashboard get open over here. You see here like this kind of dashboard get open over here. Then I click on create and then you see here create a post from here. You can create any kind of post like entertainment post. You can take any kind of technical post. You can also upload it. You can upload any kind of education post. You can also upload it. So you can do any other post you can upload from here. So you can then you can also post any kind of text, images or any kind of video, or you can also share your link also over here. So then I will click on the link option. You see here I will click on this link option. Then I will type my link title is link title and then I will go to another tab. You see another tab. Then I will click on YouTube and then I will search with my channel name and then you see here this is my channel and then I will click on this channel and I will click on this first video. Then I will go to share option and I will copy this link from here. After I will copy the links, then I will paste these links to my Reddit account. Okay, you can also send this link from your post option and you can also drop this post also from here. So this is the way you can create the Reddit account and you can earn money in Reddit using ad also. So why should you use this kind of Reddit? The Reddit is for other people and expertise. You can also get the life stories and asking the certain questions, and you can also get stuff with any kind of hobbies or any kind of distraction modes. The Reddit is the best for trigger to troll the any kind of liberals. So because of this, you can use the Reddit, and you can and like that you can earn money also. Right now, I am telling about you how to create an account in Reddit. So you can create the account in Reddit and also you can earn money also using that particular ads. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.